This car going down the road, it's gonna get attention. Good, bad, or otherwise, right? I don't even know what the paint's called on the side doors and everything else. It's all metallic. It's gonna get attention, man. So I'm gonna tell you, we're state troopers. We're always gonna tell you the reason why we stopped you. We're always gonna tell you right up front with all that. So, man.
Yeah, I got it. It's been a long time coming. I got it by myself. I appreciate the help along the way by myself. But I got this. When niggas hated on me, I got it by myself. When niggas skated on me, I did it by myself. Ain't had no patience for me, I waited by myself. Now I don't need no help, I did it by myself. I got it by myself, I got it by myself.
Now let's just be real. I mean, hey, that's kind of like a little stereotypish a little bit, because if you see that my tags is good, you know what I'm saying? My insurance is good, then there's no reason for you to really, you know what I'm saying, stop me. Or I wasn't doing anything illegal. You get what I'm saying? I was doing the speed limit. This ain't no Hell Keezy yet. This is the Black Panther, you know what I'm saying? But once I get the motor in there, she's gonna be a monster, okay? But and there's another thing where he looked at was my tires. So he was just like, I see you still got some thread on there. And then I was like, yeah, I said tires are too expensive. He said, oh, you ain't sliding in or nothing like that? Man, I wish I would have caught that on camera. I was like, oh, y'all be watching, huh? Y'all be watching. But he was cool, you know what I'm saying? He didn't give me no tickets, no nothing. You know what I'm saying? He was just like, yo, this is a dope ass car. You can't just be expecting you gonna get stopped. He said, you gonna get stopped. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna give you guys a little walk around. You know what I'm saying? This thing looks like a beast, bro. And I'm about to make this thing into a beast. You hear me? That's what I want a lot of people to understand. Like, this is a build. So when they see a car like this, you know what I'm saying, they gonna get behind it. You know what I'm saying? Because one, these cars are stolen a lot. That's another thing. So I can't even be getting mad at these cops, because if they don't even run plates, they will never know if the car is stolen. They will never know any of those things. So you can't get mad. That's what happens when you own a Mopar, especially when it looks like this. Okay? When it looks like this. Like, this is a beautiful car. If he was just like, man, this junk is pretty. And I was like, yeah, man, I put a lot of work into this. Like, you guys see it, man. Ooh, boy. Look, you guys, I got a big surprise for you that's gonna be in this Dodge Charger. Okay? You guys are about to see the little hints. You know what I'm saying? I gotta make it fun. I gotta make it interesting. But I literally had a sponsor reach out to me to make this V6 do 600. In order for me to do 600, I gotta do some other mods. But they gave me the main piece. I'm probably gonna be more likely to be pushing like 500 because I already got my 3.9 diff. So I'm gonna be giving you guys V6 content along with the motor being built to go in this beast. So with that being said, make sure you guys just stay tuned for that. Because you guys about to see, man. Video gonna be dropping. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. You know what I'm saying? And look, hey, you guys gotta admit, man, this is a beautiful car, man. I love this color. It's a candy purple. You know what I'm saying? It's a nice color. I like it. You know what I'm saying? It changes different colors though, but I like it. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna be sliding this baby. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna be doing that, bruh. Literally pulled me over. Now I'm just gonna be like, why are you running? First of all, why are you running my tags? Why are you running my tags? You know what I'm saying? You see, you see a car like this, then they want to get behind you. Bruh. Dude is literally, you know what I'm saying, just, bruh, literally my tags, insurance, registration, everything is all good. Literally. He's saying that he stopped me for window tint. Now, let's be real, you guys. I had this car since January, okay? I had this car since January, okay? Now, my thing about it is, it's not because, bruh, my tags are good. You know what I'm saying? They just trying to find stuff. That's just what that is. Then I got my daughter with me. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just gonna be like, let's just be real, bro. Like, you stopped me because you seen what kind of car this was. Like, and he still, you know what I'm saying? Literally. And then they got back up. Bro, are you serious right now?
Scored it. There you go, bud. So yeah, it's out of Georgia, still showing non-extraditable and everything else on there. Yeah. So just be aware that you're gonna get ID'd every time on that.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, I'm just letting people know that not all cops are the same.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So
no.
I'm recording.
Yeah.
That, you know, you didn't give me a hard time or nothing like that.
No. Why should I?
No, I'm just saying because a lot of people like to say cops always give people a hard time.
There's two things. This car going down the road, it's gonna get attention. Good, bad, or otherwise, right? I don't even know what the paint's called on the side doors and everything else. It's all metallic. It's gonna get attention, man. So I'm gonna tell you, we're state troopers. We're always gonna tell you the reason why we stopped you. We're always gonna tell you right up front with all that. So, man. Yeah,
but
no worries, man.
I'm just showing positivity to show people, like, you know what I'm saying? People always want to escalate things when they don't have to be. Yeah. You know, so.
Hey, we got a job to do, man.
Yeah, I know.
Try to go about it as
you see, I've been honest with
possible.
you. You know what I'm saying? I've been honest with you.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Are you trying to take care of that paper?
Yeah,
or no?
I am.
Is it court?
Hey, you guys, man, you see it, man. You see it. Literally, he was like, look, you going to get stopped. And that's crazy. He was cool, though. He was like, yo, your tint's too dark. And I'm like, yeah, I'm going to take care of that. But all my paperwork is good, man. You know what I'm saying? It's all good, you guys. Bruh, my first time I got literally pulled over, G. My first time. But he was just like, yo. He was he was like, man, he said, look, this car right here is as pretty as can be. Okay? They literally pulled, look, I'm talking about something, I'm just on the freeway. And I just see one cop coming from this direction, one cop coming from that direction. And I'm like, bro, they about to pull me over, man. They about to pull me over because you see the problem is these Dodge Chargers are hot, bro. But as you guys can see, man, the cop was cool. You know what I'm saying? Like, everything was good. Registration, insurance, all that good stuff is good, man. You know what I'm saying? But, hey, you guys can see it, man. He told me, he was like, yo, this is going to get attention. He said this is going to get attention. You know what I'm saying? So, that's why I want you guys to understand, like, don't always be an asshole to cops, man, because not all cops are assholes. All right? So, without further ado, you guys, hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope you guys get the message. Not all cops are the same. You know what I'm saying? Right now, I'm a little sweaty and stuff like that, but not all cops are the same, you guys, and I want a lot of people to really understand that. So, and I don't know why this asshole right here had all this room. He could just went right there, but yeah, not all cops are the same, you guys. I want you guys to really understand that. You know what I'm saying? In Arizona, there's some good, there's some bad, but not all cops are the same. Okay, I've been out here for a long time. These cops never gave me a hard time, but I can't get mad at them. Shit, I'll pull this over too. But I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. All right, peace.